So at True Experience, we provide supports and services to adults living with mental illness. We have no barrier for age, race, religion, sexual orientation. We're an all-inclusive organization. So we have multifaceted services. We have supportive housing. We have 3 levels. We have a 24-hour care home for our aging in place adults. We have a 12-hour supportive housing home for individuals staffed at 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. And we have 3 Elizabeth Crescent empowerment programs for individuals who don't need quite as much supports in the community. We also have a community work program that provides opportunities for individuals to earn a fair wage for the work that they do and have that feeling of accomplishment. We have a social recreational program for our residents and work program employees, as well as our community members. And we also have a full-time outreach coordinator for the community as well. So not all of our programs are funded. So we do have to do a lot of fundraising. We rely on community support as well as donations. I think the biggest focus for us is our Trillium Manor supportive housing home. It has no funding at all whatsoever. And it's just really impactful when our residents say such things like, if it wasn't for True Experience, I wouldn't even be here today. We're a small organization, but the impact, especially from donors, is astronomical. They're really changing people's lives. So on behalf of True Experience and all of our residents and employees and community folks, we just say thank you so much for everybody who takes the time to donate to our organization. We really do make positive changes in our community each and every day, and I just thank you so much.